Hello, so I have some parts that I have arrived for my 95. Been working a lot on this car. Haven't recorded everything, but I have made some videos. But I want to show you guys something that I've been waiting for a long time that has finally arrived. And I ordered this, so I put my initial deposit back in November or October. I can't recall exactly, but finally arrived, and I've been wanting one of these since I bought this car. And that is my Hirsch body kits. I had to get a second mortgage and get a second job to afford this, but it is well worth it. No, I'm just kidding. But this stuff is not cheap, unfortunately. But in my opinion, it adds so much to the car. That's already a unique car, and to get these parts for it, I've seen a 95 in person with the Hirsch body kit, and it adds so much to the car. It just looks so much nicer. Adds it looks more sporty, a lot more sportier, and just looks nicer in my opinion. So it was well worth it, and I've been wanting it for a while. It's a unique car. I might as well get some unique parts for it. But this is the diffuser. I wasn't initially gonna get the diffuser, but I thought, it wasn't any extra shipping since I was already paying for this to come over here. Might as well get the diffuser. So this is it. It has the cutouts for the exhaust. This is the American or United States version, just because it doesn't have the cutouts for the fog lights. So I think the guy I got this from, they're the only ones that do the United States version. I know Tune Style as well as H Blum, they do the European style with the rear fog light cutouts, but we don't have that here in the US, so I was able to get this one. And it's just fiberglass, I believe it's just fiberglass, but I'll have it painted, of course, in gloss black. I'm gonna probably do 99% sure, unless I see something better. But maybe even carbon fiber, that'd be cool. But yeah, it's just fiberglass, nice. Don't recall exactly how much this one cost. I think it was $500, but United States USD. So, but I don't recall exactly. I'll look it up and put it in the video. So I think $500 for this one, which I'm not trying to flaunt how much these things cost. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm sure I'm gonna get a ton of questions in the comments. How much did it cost? And so I'm just might as well let you guys know. So set that in the grass. Okay, next, this is the front slitter, or front lip, and as you can see, oh, that fell off. Front lip just goes right on the bottom of the front bumper, just adds a more aggressive look, and I think this is what adds, this and the side skirts is what actually really sets it off. But very nice. Don't mind it's wet. I had it sit in my grass earlier. But very nice piece. Looks like very nice material. I think it's plastic. It also has the Hirsch stamp in it, so it's cool. Especially that I'm still able to buy these after this business no longer makes cars. But the whole body kit itself, I think the body kit was around 1,500 USD or 1,600. I don't recall exactly because it was in euros, but I'll look it up and let you guys know what I paid and what everything cost. So I'm not gonna pull out the side skirts just because they are a huge pain to remove from the box, and so I'm just not gonna pull them out. But you'll see them in a later video once I actually get everything painted and installed on the car. I don't know if I'll be the one installing it or I'll have a body shop do it, but those are the side skirts. Very nice material. Looks like they're gonna fit right on. I haven't actually test fit anything. I did put the rear diffuser on the bumper just to see how it fit perfectly. It looks awesome, and so I'll be excited to get everything on. But I want to show you guys an update on the 95, all I've had done so far. I'm almost done with the engine work, the larger turbo. It's just putting everything back together now. So I'll show you guys that real quick. So here is the engine bay. It's very messy right now. I do have the compressor housing off just because I'm getting that powder coated. I'm also getting my strut brace powder coated and the intake tube that connects. So this is a Garrett GT3076 Turbo Smart wastegate. This is actually built by Genuine Saab. Not the turbo itself, but the adapters to make everything fit. So this is an adapter to bolt to the factory down pipe, as well as we have the adapter to attach to the factory up pipes. It is larger than a stock turbo but you could actually probably machine a stock turbo like I sell and honestly get about the same gains. This thing is a pretty small turbo still, and it's not going to be that much difference over a machine TD04. It's just more of the cool factor, and I thought it would be cool to have a upgraded Garrett turbo on this over a stock TD04. Since I'm modifying it, I thought why not. It is the ball bearing, so that's cool as well. It's used. I bought all this stuff used. I thought if it ever goes bad, it's not a big deal to me. I just thought it'd be cool to get since I had the opportunity to. The intercooler is already installed, DOA intercooler. Over here I did a new water pump, and I also changed the O-rings on the valve, the camshaft actuators, just because they were leaking, and thought have everything apart, make sure everything's perfect on this car. I'm waiting on a new one of these from Aesop Parts. I ordered it. It should be here in the next couple days, since this outer lip broke when I pulled it off, and so it's not a big deal. Old car, with high mileage, not that high. I think it has a little over 100,000 miles on it, so of course it's not going to be perfect, but fixed out any leak it has on it. Don't mind this, I just set it there for now, but I'm trying to get everything fixed and ready for SOC. I do have some H&R lowering springs right there that will be going on it, new rear shocks, new upper and lower insulators, so suspension wise it should be new. I've already replaced the front struts on these, and I will redo that video when I put these on to show you guys how to remove the struts, as it is a little different than your normal cars, as these are different style of struts. But that's about as far as we've got. The downpipe is removed. Probably throw that back in after this video and get that bolted back up how it should be, since I'm done back there. I had a crack in my rear up pipe. You probably can't see it because it's dark down there, but the rings on the up pipe were cracked around here, so I re-welded it all the way around and put that back on. That's the only reason why I actually removed the downpipe, but I actually decatted my stock downpipe as well, which is over here. And I'll show you. So, hope you guys could see that, but yeah, this is, hopefully I get in the light. So, normally you have a Cadillac converter back there. I still have the shell, but actually the internals are gone. I had them removed, so it's pretty much a catless. It is a catless downpipe now. So I don't know any companies that make an aftermarket catless downpipe for this car. So it was easier to do that and not have to buy a new one. Anyway, save some money that way. But secondary air injection delete is done. So there's my plate I sell on my website. I have a video on that on my 9.3. Same process. Remove the valve that goes right here for the secondary air injection, and I just got to remove the pump down there. So things are going smooth. Once I finish the engine work and the turbo, I will do the suspension next, and we'll start with the front, have the wheels powder coated, and then we'll pull the car in and do the back, remove the back bumper, have that painted, install the diffuser, and do the rear springs and shocks, and then we'll move to the interior and redo the driver's seat, at the camera. Got some stuff going in with the radio, so lots of upgrades on this thing. Slowly getting these boxes emptied out and parts put on. Still gotta have my headlights restored. I'll probably do that myself, but just haven't had time to get that done since they are dirty, and perfect time to do it. So I still need one of these pieces. So if anyone is parting one of these out and has a passenger side trim, chrome trim, this one is broken and I need one. So let me know. I looked online and I believe they were back ordered. So if you have one, let me know. I'll totally buy it from you. Even if you're overseas, doesn't matter. Just let me know if you have one or not. But I think that is it for this video. I don't have much more updates on this thing, but I'll start recording after the turbo is done. I'll show you. I just didn't record the turbo because I don't think a lot of people are interested on all that, since it's not something everyone's doing, is upgrading like the whole turbo, and it's not like you could replicate this, since Genuine Sub only built one, and they don't sell these kits, so it's just a one and done deal. So, but yeah, I appreciate everyone's support, and I hope you guys enjoyed the body kit, and I hope you guys enjoy me getting it installed. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.